How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to my channel and welcome to the premiere of my new series called International Yums. So what I did here was I signed up with Universal Yums. What they are is they are an international snack delivery service where once a month they send me a snack box. So chips, chocolates, candies. But the cool thing about that is each month is represented by a different country. So today's month is the Philippines. Now I've never been to the Philippines, at least not yet, but something that I've kind of learned is the best way to learn about a country or a new culture is through their food. So let's dive right in. Here's the box, universalyums.com. Again, the link is down below for you all to check it out yourself if you're interested in. But let's open up this box. Looks like this is kind of cool. Looks like they've provided a map of the Philippines. Hopefully you guys can see that well. So egg bites, egg cookies. Now me living in Asia, I've had egg flavored things before. Not my favorite, not gonna lie, but let's give these a try. This is what they, maybe I'll do this. This is what they look like out of the package. It actually reminds me of a vanilla wafer if you're familiar with that. It smells exactly like a vanilla wafer, so maybe this won't be too bad. Yeah. Oh wow, that's really good actually. I'm gonna eat another one. It says made with real fresh eggs. Those are really good. It tastes like a vanilla wafer, but just with a lot less sugar. Taking a look at is cheesy puffs. Sweet butter cheese. That's what it says at the bottom. I'm excited about these because I love cheese puffs. Here in America, they're the best. It's a nice little snack, so I have high standards for these. Look like the baby versions of the cheese puffs we have here in America. But I mean, ours are the same shape, kind of that like curve, but just ours are longer. Ooh, okay. Cheese smells a lot stronger than our cheese puffs that we have here in America. So let me give this a try. Oh. What this reminds me of is like Doritos. So like the Doritos chips, that cheese on a cheese puff, but not like the consistency of a cheese puff, but it's like the Dorito cheese on a Funyun. You remember the Funyuns? On a cheese puff. Alright, so the next snap is Cupcake, which I'm guessing is supposed to be kind of like a play on cupcake. Cupcake. I don't know if I pronounced that wrong, I'm so sorry, but I'm guessing that's supposed to be kind of like cupcake. It says Cocoa Vib. I don't know what that is right there. It says cupcake with cocoa flakes. So I guess a cupcake with chocolate flakes on it. Let's give this a try. Not as purple as the packaging, but I won't hold that against them. The advertising's always better than the real product. Oh, that smells really sweet. Okay, let's give this a bite. I'm pretty sure there's coconut in here, like the coconut shavings in here. That's kind of what I tasted, but it's very dry to me. Like I have my water, I'm gonna need to drink some. Next we have what looks like a protein bar, Choco Choco Macho. So yeah, it looks like a protein bar. White chocolate caramel chocolate cookie center cereal crispies. Not gonna lie, I am not a huge fan of white chocolate, so this might just be at the bottom for me already just from reading the instructions. But let's give this a try. This is what it looks like. Maybe I don't know if you can see that. We have a chocolate bar here in America that looks identical to this, kind of with the bumpy texture. I can't think of it because it's not one of my favorites. If you know, let me know in the comments section down below what that is, but we have something that looks similar to this. Oh, a very heavy white chocolate smell to it. Let's give this a bite. Oh. It has everything there that you would expect to be in like a chocolate bar, with like the chocolate, the caramel, but just it's not as sweet. It's almost a little bitter, which probably is like the real coconut. It kind of tastes more like the real coconut and not like processed and added more sweetener to it. This, not a fan of it, to be honest. But I will say the big thing that I don't like is just the white chocolate. Without the white chocolate, it would be decent. The next snack, right here, if you can see that well, fudgy bar. Okay, it kind of looks like it might be like a green tea flavor type thing. Kind of has like a cream feeling in this picture. This might not be too bad. It's very green, so they definitely hit that with a lot of artificial food coloring. Let's give this a bite. Whoa, that's a weird smell. So it looks like they're baked goods. They like putting coconut in it. But you know, I haven't got the cream yet, if there's cream. So I'm like halfway done with the bar, and it looks like on the advertisement, I don't know if you can see that good, there's supposed to be like a cream filling, and I haven't reached the cream filling yet. Actually, that's really good. I actually really like this. I am a huge fan of coconut, and the coconut is a very strong flavor in this. Goldilocks. Maybe that's the brand. Polvoron, Philippine shortbread, penny pig, Polvoron. I'm just gonna apologize in advance. I cannot pronounce things, but it's a Philippine shortbread. I just squeezed it and it's really soft. So again, we're going back to the bakeries. It seems like they do a lot of baked snacks here. Kind of like if you're familiar with what a moon cake is, kind of like a moon cake shape to it with the ridges around the side. Let me bite into this. Ooh. Oh, this is really sweet. That was like biting into a sugar cube, like almost exactly like the texture of a sugar cube. Like, seemed like I could taste like the individual crystals in it. The one thing is sugar cubes are hard, and this is very soft. It's very soft. It almost kind of has like a Play-Doh, like, why did I do that again? Almost kind of squishes like Play-Doh would. And I mean, you know, as kids, we all tried Play-Doh, but Play-Doh, when it's salty, this is just like Play-Doh if it tasted like sugar. All right, the last snack we have is Boy. It says Boy at the top. Boy, oh gosh, I don't, Bawang, Boy Bawang Cornick. Boy Bawang Cornick. I don't know what I just said. I probably butchered that, butchered how to say that. Bigger taster. Oh, so I wonder these look like corn nuts. Exactly what a corn nut would look like. Ooh, those are good. And actually, I haven't had corn nuts in a really long time, so it's kind of like a nostalgia taste to me, or feeling to me. So, man, those are good. And like, it doesn't really have a smell to it, but it's kind of like a light barbecue dry rub on them. That's kind of the taste. Ranking time. Which one did I like the most, and which one did I like the least? Well, drum rolls. My number one should come to no surprise. It started off weird and then it had a strong finish. I'm going with the baked cheese puffs. Definitely had a weird start. Like I said, it was like the nacho cheese on top of a Funyun. I'm like, what is going on here? There's too many familiar tastes for me. But then you just kind of let it settle, and it ends up making a nice comeback there. Last but not least, the last place, of course, is the Philippine shortbread. Normally I like shortbread, but this just wasn't doing it for me. It was just way too sweet. They just taste like sugar crystals, like sugar crystals and like flour. That's what it was. Sugar crystals and flour, just packed in like a circular thing. That's not my favorite. Ugh. Gosh. Really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please touch the like button. If you are new, subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate that. What did you think about the snacks, and how did you think about this video? Could I review them better? Could I make something different? Let me know in the comment section down below. Again, I do really hope you guys appreciated my video, and I will see you later. Goodbye.